This is a young Japanese white pine. It's Lulu. And we can do a bit on needle picking. You don't want to get too carried away with this one. Now if we look on this lower branch, we've got a nice little one there. Nice branch there. Now we're starting to build this back of this. But now we can sacrifice this out. At the moment we want to see if we can just knock back some energy here and clean this up. This goes for the rest of the tree. That looks like it's the top of the branch. I think everything underneath we're not going to need. You think about if you're going to strip needles in a place where you don't need them. It's pointing down for sure. As you can see here, we can again with this lower branch, we'll strip off everything underneath, everything pointing down. Remember to clean up the crotches in between branches so that to find out. Also on the opposite side, I don't want anything going there. Again, everything lowered down. Going to be a branch you can take out. We have a chance to knock those back. Many little pods to pop in there. It's coming up to the point where we can start bending it. As you can see, it's still very flexible. Join me on the next one, we'll give it a try.